Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw authentication users with Firebase using no-code tools, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. In this video, we will explore how to withdraw authentication users with Firebase using no-code tools. First, start by logging into your Firebase console. Select the project you want to work on. Next, navigate to the authentication section on the left sidebar. In the authentication panel, you will see a list of users currently signed up. Identify the user you wish to withdraw. Once you find the user, click on their email address to open their account details. In the account details view, locate the option that says Delete User. Click on Delete User to proceed with the withdrawal. A confirmation dialog will appear. Confirm that you want to delete this user. After confirmation, the user will be removed from your Firebase. If you want to use no-code tools, open your chosen platform, such as Bubble or Atelo. Create a new app or select an existing project. Look for a Firebase plugin or connector in your no-code platform. Integrate the Firebase authentication feature by following the setup instructions provided. Next, create a visual interface that displays the list of authenticated users. Add a button next to each user for the withdraw action. Set the button's action to connect with the Firebase API for deleting users. Map the email or user ID from your list to the API request. Test the action to ensure it properly withdraws users from Firebase. Make any necessary adjustments to improve the user experience. Once satisfied, save and publish your app. You have now successfully implemented user withdrawal from Firebase using no-code tools. This method streamlines user management without needing to code. Explore further features to enhance your application's user management system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.